So I honestly didn't plan to make this video because I see a lot of Roblox reward sites that don't really work. But I tested this one myself. And what happened actually surprised me. In this video, I'll show you exactly how this site works, how people earn points, and how withdrawals are done safely. Step by step, so make sure you don't skip. This video is sponsored by RBLX.space, and if you sign up using my link or code, you'll get a bonus. So here we are on RBLX.space. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. To get started, you simply log in using your Roblox username. The site does not ask for your Roblox password, email, or any private details. After logging in, you'll see different offer walls and survey partners. This is where you earn points by downloading apps, playing games, completing offers, and doing surveys. You can also earn extra points from daily tasks, social follows, and giveaways. There's also a referral system, where you earn a percentage of points from users you invite. So if someone you invite earns points, you earn a small bonus too. If you want to support me, make sure to use my code CRAZE when signing up. It really helps me keep making videos like this. Quick reminder, if you decide to try this site, make sure you use the link in the description and my code CRAZE, because that's how signups get tracked. Now let me show you how to complete an offer properly. I'm clicking on Lootably, and I usually recommend app or game offers because they're easier. I'm currently on desktop, so there are fewer offers. If you're on mobile, you'll usually see many more. Once you download and open the app, just follow the instructions shown on screen. After completion, points are credited after verification, which can take some time depending on the offer. When you have enough points, go to the withdraw section. Withdrawals are done using Roblox-supported methods. Like game passes, after you withdraw, the Robux may appear as pending before Roblox fully processes it. So I will show you proof that this website is legitimate. So here it is. I have gotten 7 Robux BQs of 30%. Market fees. So that's how RBLX.space work. And I'm showing this as an example of a successful withdrawal on my own account. Keep in mind that results can vary based on the offers you complete and their availability. Also remember, never share your Roblox password with any website. And you never need to spend money to try this. So yeah, that's how RBLX.space works. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other Roblox guides on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.